Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how to make the database connection in our PHP Ecommerce project. So previously we had integrated the dashboard. So now we are going to make the database connection. So inside this admin folder, we will start with creating a folder called config, and inside the config folder, we will create a file called dbcon.php. So here, let us open and close PHP first. So here you have to specify four things, that is your host name, your username, your password and your database. So using these four things we are going to connect our database. So before that you have to create a database in your PHP MyAdmin. So I have already created a database over here called PHP Ecom, and there are no tables here. So just copy this database name, and here we will create four variables and assign the values to them. So let me say $host is equal to, within double quotes, let's say localhost, and then you have $username, and the username is going to be root. So by default it is root for XAMPP server, and the $password, so the password is null, and then your database name. So database name we just copied, right? So I'll just paste it over here. So now we will connect this to the project. So we will create a variable over here, $con is equal to mysqli connect function. Okay, so in this you have to pass these four parameters. So that is the host, comma, username, comma, password, and your database name. So now we will check the database connection. So I'll just add a comment over here. So this is creating database connection, and here we are going to check the database connection. Check database connection. So here we are going to add an if condition, and we will check if this variable is true or false. So just paste it over here. If not database connection, so that means when it is failed, we are just going to give the die function over here with the message connection failed, and we will concatenate the reason with it. So that is mysqli connect error function, mysqli connect error. So whatever the error is, it will be displayed over here. And in the else part, let us echo connected successfully. So now let us just check this. So if the connection is established successfully, it will come in this else part and it will echo connected successfully. So once we are done with testing this, so if it is working properly, we will just remove this else part, and only when the connection fails, we will display the message. So let us go to our browser, and over here it is inside the admin slash config slash dbcon.php. So here you can see we have got the message connected successfully. So let me just show you one thing over here. So let me just make a mistake in my username and refresh. So you can see you have got the error message over here along with the path. So here you can see it is going inside the admin folder. So let us just keep this outside, so the admin folder is not exposed to the user side. So I'll just go back to the code and move this folder outside the admin folder. Okay, yeah. So now you can just check, go and refresh. So we'll just remove this admin folder from the URL and hit enter. So here it is. So the admin folder is not being displayed over here. So in case there is any error in future with our database, the admin folder should not be displayed to the users. So it's done. So let me just remove that error, save, refresh. Yeah, so it's connected successfully. So that's it in this video, guys. We have seen how to connect our database to our PHP project. So in the next video, we will see how to make the login and registration system. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.